So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Anushka and I am going to do one more exciting project. The name of the project is Dice Rule. Okay, now listen. This project is, let me inform that this project is 27th class of project. Okay, and let's get started. Now let me tell you what is the story. We need to make an app in which two dice will be there. Okay, let me tell you, I have let me see tell you to see this. Okay, I will tell you. See, there will be like two dices. Okay, and before image will be like this, and after while we will run, it will like this. Okay, like this the number will become, and the computer will add this number, and then the answer will be here. Okay, so I should tell you that this design is coded by Whitehead Junior, so there's no problem. Now we need to just do is doing work is just to do on event. Okay, so let's take on event. Time to doing just work is to do code. Okay, so first we need to take on event. We will get that in UI controls, and make this id in button number 1. Now what is button number 1? This is button number 1, means this role me will be button number 1. So take button number 1. Then we should take a variable, mean declare a variable. Okay, so first one in variable, in part of variable x, wala first one. Okay, so variable, we don't need any x, we need to write the name first. So let's name this number 1. Okay, this is, let me name this number 1, or you can name anything. It's my variable. Okay, it's my variable's name. Okay, so this is a variable 1 and number 1 variable. This is my variable's name, and here we will take random number, this. Okay, we will not touch first. This number 1, we need to change 10 instead of 6. Okay, then why we are doing 6 here? Because in a dice, if you had played ludo or snake and ladder, and in a business also, right? In business also, I think so we are using dice. Okay, so in dice we have 6 sides, means 6 numbers, right? 1 dot and 2 dot, like here it is made, here is 5 dots. So like this there are numbers, right? Sorry, what I had opened. So that's why we are doing here number 6. Now we need to take is set text. Take set text, make id equal to label number 1. Where is label number 1? Label, oh my god, here is label number 1, and the text should be number 1. Okay, number 1, because we need to write the variable's name. Okay, number 1, this is. Now just now we need to do take is if else. We will get this text, set text in UI control in okay, here. So let's go in controls, and we need if condition. We don't need if else, we need just if condition. Take if, here we need to take is this equal to operator. Okay, so take here equal to operator, then set text, get text, sorry, take get text, and then id equal to label number 1. Okay, and here it should be 1. And now we need is set image url id. Okay, so here id should be image number 1, and choose equal to this. Okay, choose. So see those, see friends, here I need to explain this. Why we are using these blocks. These blocks. See, now the equal if condition will make that if the first dot first side is coming, so we need this image URL to this image is like one dot. Yeah, see here it is, right? One dot, like this there are six dots, so we need the image equal to one dot. And image one, why? Because see, this is image one and this is image two, so we are coding for image one, so that's why we had done this image one. And why label number one? And see, yeah, sorry, yeah, whatever. uh See, there is label number one. Okay, here is label number one and here is label number two. And the answer, the question should come in label number one and label number two. See, like here, where is it? Yeah, here 5 and 5. So this is label number one, this is label number two. So like this we need. Okay, then set image URL. After that we just need to code. It's like this only. Now this is for one png, one dot png image is coded. Now we need to code for second one, second two dots, for two dots. Okay, so again just take if condition, go in math, you will get equal to operator. Take that, go in UI control, take get text, then take id, change id into label number one. Then here you should do two. Okay, and then take set image URL. You, that also you will get in UI control. Take image number one and then here you need to choose this, choose to PNG. Okay, after that like this we need to code six uh six sides. Okay, now I am on the last one but not the least, means sixth side of. Okay, where is it? Yeah, now take, and this is, now take one more time I am telling this, take equal to operator. Now take get text in UI control, then change id, do id into label number one, and here equal to 6. And now we need set image URL, id equal to image number one, and choose 6 dot png. Okay, so guys, we had completed this coding for image number one. Okay, let's check. Roll me. Oh, sorry, it is coming. I think so we should do at last. Yeah, because now at next one, like this. Now we are going to code for the image number two. See guys, it's this is same coding only. Just the change is, here instead of image number one we will write image number two. Here we will change variable. Let me show you only. So go in variable, declare a variable here on 22 line. Name variable, I am naming number two. Okay, and take random number, just like we had done in first one. Change 6, then set text label number one. Label number one we will not write, we will write label number two. Okay, so go in UI control, take set text, then just do here in join this at 23 line, 23rd line, then change into label number two. Okay, Now text should be, see, text. Oh, how I forget to tell that there will be no comma here. Do you know why? Because whenever there is a variable names, there is no comma. Okay, so that's why now it's okay. Number one. That's why here it comes number means here in here. No, here, right? Label number one, it comes N. That's why only. Okay, so here will. Oops, चिंता मत करो. Wait. यहाँ like this. Change this into. Oops, sorry. Oh, I had done a big mistake. Why? Now it's okay. First, we will remove this both the commas, and then we will write here number two. NUMBER 2. Okay? Is it okay? Then we need here like we need if else condition. If condition. Yeah, like this, and we need here get means equal to operator. Now we need get text from UI control. ID should be changed in label number 2. Okay, and here the number 1. Okay, so now take set image URL, and ID should be I think so, yeah, image number 2, because we are coding for image number 2. Yeah, and here we need first image choose 1.png. Okay, this image is done by Whitehead Junior, and like this I'm going to code whole. Okay, after that let me show you only. Okay, it's okay, right? Because I had not shown you that one. So yeah, go in math, take equal to operator. Now we need get text, go in UI control, get text ID changed into label number 2, and here we need 2, and then set image URL. ID is image number 2, and then change this into change, not we need second 2.png. Then we need like this take if else once more. Okay, now we need max, go in max, take equal to operator, get text from UI control, and change ID into label number 2. Then this should be third one. Okay, now set image, where is set image URL? Yeah, take this and change ID into image number 2. Take this, choose, and 3 point png, and now we will do for once more for fourth one. We will code for fourth one inside. Now go in math, take equal to operator. Do you know what, guys? This project is easiest project ever, because the code is not, and I can understand why. See, it is repeated code only, and this will repeated code. If you know the how to make, then it will very easy. But if you don't know, or if you are continue, if you are confused, then it's okay. It happened with me also in many projects. No problem. But I'm telling that it is easy project. Just try to understand this, and it will be very easy. Wait a minute. I had taken galat. I had taken wrong block. So where is it? Get number. I had taken get number. That's why I thought why it is bigger than this one. Right? Get. What get text? Yeah. Hmm. So that's why, guys. Don't mind, but I'm just telling. Try your best in coding, because coding only code. Just leave it. And set image ID equal to image number 2. Then choose image number 4.png. Okay, is it okay? Like this code for 5 and 6 also. I think so. Part 1 is also that means before this of project number 26, it is also, I will show you that also recently in. Okay, so don't take any tension. I will be there whenever you want. I am telling that, do you have subscribed my channel? Means guys, I am doing work and you are trying to learn this. Okay, so now one thing that you are needed to do is just subscribe. It's a challenge to complete that. Okay, while I'm coding for fifth one, you need to subscribe my channel, and not my channel, our channel, right? And you need to like videos. Okay, so let's get started. It's my set image URL, and id equal to image number 2. uh, Choose, and this I done, guys, I done. Okay, I done. Do you have done? Do you had accepted my challenge? So I think so you had done, because you are very strong, right? So it's my last one for 6, and take go in maths. We need equal to operator, and now we need get text. Where is get text? Get text. Get text. Oh, yeah, here. And then I need label number 2, and then I need sixth one. Okay, so see friends, I was telling that after this, it's not my project is not completed yet. Means see, we had done this coding. We had done this coding for the sides. Okay, for the dots of dice, but we had not given any command to do, right, to computer. We had not given any command. It will show. Okay, let's see. Oh, it will not work now. Wait a minute, I will tell you later what I need to do. Okay, after this we had done this, we need to give some instruction. Okay, so and I had told you that we need to plus it. Okay, the computer should plus that. So what I will take, uh we will go in math. um yeah, go in math, then take addition one. Okay, but where we will put this? Okay, so we need one more variable. Take variable, declare a variable here on 42 line, 40 whatever. Yeah, variable, or we need the variable's name also. So I will write this here answer. Okay, you can write anything. You can write total answer or total whatever. Okay, do this is name of variable, and here we will write um random number from 1 to 6. No, we will not take this, sorry. We will take this addition operator. Okay, we will this will find, you will get this in maths. Okay, and we will add in okay, we will add here, and then I will write here first variable's name equal to variable number 1 plus number 1. Okay, number 1. Okay, plus what? Plus number 2. Number 2. Okay, so I think so we had done this. Let's check. Let me roll. Wait a minute, guys. It's a technical issue. Let's check. Check me out. Just wait till I check. Then it will be okay. So, friends, I get that one more problem was We had not added one thing, that was set text, add this in 43 43rd line, and here it should be label total number. Okay, where what is Cohen design, here White Hat Junior has coded C, label total number. Okay, so and here it should be your variable's name. My variable name is answer, answer. Okay, that's it. I think so. We had done. Roll. What's the problem? Error line 3. Line 3. Okay. What? We can't figure out what is number 1. M I don't put the M here. I forgot. It's not my mistake. Maybe sometimes my keys are hard, right? So sometimes it get some problem. So let's restart and run. Let me roll. Yeah, it's correct. 1 plus 1, 2. 6 plus 1, 7. 12. See, 6 plus 6, the answer is 12 only. And 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. Then 4 plus 1, 5. Then 3 plus 3, 6. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 6 means 6, 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. So 4 plus 3, 7. Like this, it's working, friends. Okay, okay, bye, 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 bye. Let me see you in the next video.